welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing this 3M windshield repair kit. This is what I used to repair the one on my Cobalt, and I can see there's a few differences. One thing that I noticed was the amount of pressure you can get on your resin. With this, there's not really a gasket or anything to help keep that from coming up from the bottom and holding it more pressure on the windshield. I noticed on this one, the 3M one, it has this little silicone gasket that would help when you actually screw that in there. It will actually be able to force that and hold it in while you're moving around. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and repair the one on my truck. I have a pretty good crack. It's actually a pretty large crack. And here, I'll show it to you. Alright, there's the crack where it started on my truck, and you can see that it went up the window and kind of looks like a lightning bolt or something, but it's pretty jacked up, so I don't even know if it's possible to repair this, but I'm going to give it a shot and see if we can make it disappear. But I'm going to use the 3M one on this, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'll show you how to use that. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is find the ends of my cracks. And I have this drill bit here, and it's marked at 2 millimeters. So I'm going to drill that into the glass first. And the reason why you do that is to prevent it from cracking more. Alright, now I got a little vegetable oil on this rag, and I'm going to put it on the ends of this suction cup so I can slide it back and forth on the windshield. I'm going to go ahead and start right here on this one. I'm going to use this little dropper that came with the kit, and we're going to put some in. The reason why I'm pushing down up from the inside is to help try to get that resin to open up that crack a little bit so it'll go inside. what I found was if you're going to do say a long crack in your windshield, this one seemed to work better. It'd be better if you could actually put a little more pressure on that and the resin wouldn't come up through the top. On the 3M, it might be good for a little ding like that in your windshield, but if you're going to do a long crack, the resin seems to dry pretty fast, and so I wouldn't recommend it for that. So anyway, that's my review on these two. If you have any questions, comment below, but I'm not an expert at doing this. But if you like this video and you think it helped you out, please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.